Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, YouTube? This is Calico the True Reviews, and I am back in the building with another video. And today I got another unboxing for you guys. This is the D-brand Killswitch 2.0, and also I have some custom accessories for my Nintendo Switch 2. Of course, I've been using the stock Nintendo Switch case ever since I bought it from launch at Best Buy, and it has been a pleasure to use. Definitely been loving it, except for, I've been buying more and more games, and of course, I'm not able to keep a whole lot of games in this case, so therefore, I decided, you know what, I like to play this game system for an ample amount of time. Well, especially an extended period of time. I want to say a little over 2 hours. Sometimes my hands start cramping up. I have to put it down for a while and take a break. All right, guys, so I have the Killswitch 2.0 case. Of course, that comes with the grip. For the Nintendo Switch 2, it comes with a screen protector. I might have wifey set that up for me off cam because she is a pro at actually installing screen protectors. Shout out to wifey. And also, this is gonna be the last time that I rock my Nintendo Switch 2 in its stock variation. You know what I'm saying? This is the last time you guys are gonna see a stock like this. So say goodbye to this stock look, all right? Because I'm definitely gonna switch it up. Let's see here. I have some buttons and some other things here that I wanted to put on the Nintendo Switch 2 so that I can go ahead and customize it and get it to look especially well for myself. I like having things look unique, but hopefully it will look good. I'm hoping in the end. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. And this D-brand packaging is pretty decent. Listen, man, they got a lot of stuff on here, a lot of words. They tell a story with this type of stuff. This is my first time actually getting something from D-brand. So shout out to D-brand. This video is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by any company, but I do appreciate good packaging. And also for this Killswitch variation, they have different tiers that you can order. This one is the highest that you can get for $99.99. So you're paying $100 for this. You get the skins, you get the grip, you get the case, you get also 2 extra screen protectors. But we'll check it out once we unbox it. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and sit some of this stuff off to the side. And let's get it popping. And as you can see, guys, the packaging is kind of crazy. It has some words on it, just very crazy. It's saying some stuff about Tim Apple and $11 million worth of money and all type a hostile left behind. It's a lot. If you guys get a zoom, if you can get a zoom in on that, like literally, it's a lot of words for this D-brand stuff. This is the actual packaging for the D-brand Killswitch 2 case. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so put this thing open. And you open it up here. And the contents. All right, do we get something else here for the D-brand? Okay. Look like it says that the Prism 2.0 screen protector, how to install your screen protector. In order to do this, installation tray must fit your device perfectly. As a result, if you've already installed a Switch 2 scan prior to using Prism 2.0, the tray will be slightly too tight. If you find that your skin gets wrinkled during your Prism 2.0 installation, don't panic. Simply send a photo of the scan to robots@dbrand.com and we'll help you out. Signed, a robot. And got some nice little D-brand branding right there. All right, and then has a dock adapter buffer. So, I mean, you could, when docking your Switch 2, a misalignment could cause the USB-C plug to contact with the plastic around your console's charging port. As with any metal on plastic interaction, there's a slight chance of minor cosmetic marks given that the area surrounding the charging port is bare, unpainted plastic. These marks are typically unnoticeable. Still, out of an abundance of caution, we recommend applying this protective skin around the bottom USB-C port of your Switch 2. It will shield the console in the event of any misalignment during docking. Even if you don't plan on using our dock adapter and will instead be removing your Killswitch case to dock your Switch 2, we still recommend applying this skin. It's quite likely that the misalignments with the OEM dock will result in similar cosmetic marks over time. Keep your Killswitch installed. Line up the skin around the USB-C port and screws. Lay down firmly. So it gives you an illustration here of how to align your Nintendo Switch with the stickers here so that you don't scratch up your Nintendo Switch 2. So that's pretty dope that they include that. All right. And let's see here. All right, you get a nice D-brand microfiber cleaning cloth. That's a nice added touch. Shout out to D-brand for that. What is this? Okay, this is my skin from D-brand. So shout out to D-brand. This is my skin that I ordered. It's called Marble. So that's the actual skin itself. So I will actually install this skin onto my Nintendo Switch 2 to give it that pop and that look, I guess, of marble. So yeah, pretty dope. This is the Killswitch case itself right here. And this, I guess this is the screen protector. It says read this before opening. Okay, yeah. So this is the Prism 2.0 screen protector, glass screen protector for your Nintendo Switch 2. And it has a cleaning kit here. It has instructions as well as a QR code to install that so that you can be able to install that properly and make sure that it is aligned correctly. All right. So I will probably let wifey go ahead and put that on for me off camera here so that we can go ahead and get that done. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get that done and we'll come back to you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so I got the temper glass installed here by wifey. She actually put it on for me. So she is a pro with that. Looks flawless. No smudges. Definitely a top-notch job done by a top-notch installer when it comes down to screen protectors, all right? Because she puts on all our screen protectors for all our phones, and she does an amazing job. So shout out to her for that. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my custom skin on my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. So this is gonna be a very delicate process because I wanna make sure that I'm putting them on right and I gotta wipe them down and everything. So once I get done doing that, I'll come back to you guys and show you guys the finished product, all right? And I think that's it, guys, as far as this is a very tedious process. Get these on and actually make sure that they look right, but so far so good. I just gotta smooth this one down. Just gotta smooth it down a little bit here. That looks great. I got this marble color on my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. They look pretty good so far. All right. All right, so this is the actual D-brand Killswitch 2 case. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box here. Boom, and also you get the case there. That's the one that holds the cartridges. It's a nice little heft to it, but it's not bad. And also I think you get some button stick grips in black. You get the what is it? The dock kickstand tray. This is actually just to put on the back to make sure that you put that in place once you install everything. Then you also get a dock, since the Killswitch 2 case is kind of big and it doesn't fit in the original Nintendo Switch 2 case. So you have to actually use this. And they also say don't screw this up. So you can also scan the QR code so it can actually give you an installation video to show you how it's done. All right. So we're gonna put this back in the case because I don't think I have any plans on using that, but I will use the kickstand cover here. Let's see, I'm gonna sit that off to the side. I think this is the adhesive for it. So yes, sit that off to the side. The button, I also have some custom button grips. So I won't need these for right now, but eventually, who knows, I may use them over time. If time does persist, I may have to use them, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So of course with the Killswitch 2 case, it comes with this bungee. So you just pull this off here and it has a cover that you put over your Nintendo Switch 2, as well as here's some foam here. And these are the grips. All right, I'll be installing the grips here in just a second. And this is the case here. It holds more cartridges for your games. And also I think it is magnetic. Yep. Yeah, it is. It's magnetic, so that's pretty dope. I can put more games in there. And I'm gonna also install this back cover plate for the Nintendo Switch 2 so that the back cover plate is on there as well. All right, so I'm gonna install the actual grips. Okay, so I guess that's how one of the grips is installed there. So that's one of the grips out of the way. So this one is nice and snug as well. Both of the grips are on and they feel pretty damn good as far as the grips go for the Joy-Con. So these are pretty cool. I like that. They real grippy. Gives it that good manly feel. More grip. Feels better in the hand. Might be able to play longer because of the grips. We have this cover here, of course. This cover goes... All right, guys, so I just installed the case here. So the case looks pretty good. Got some D brand. It says D brand. It has some branding for the D brand right here. Also, you got access to your ports, to your game cartridges. Also, you get access to your USB-C, a lot of your other ports here. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. All right, guys. I did have the the case on the wrong way, but now I got it on the right way. So now it looks pretty good. This is the kickstand here. So, all right, because you get access to your buttons and your ports. And your buttons and your ports. You get access to all your buttons and your ports. Pretty dope. All right. And as you see, the kickstand cover is functioning and it is aligned just perfectly. So yeah, that is good. And that is the complete unboxing of the Killswitch 2.0 case there. Plus also, this is your magnetic case here, so you can put game cartridges in there. So if I got some cartridges, let's see, so I can put a Zelda there. Yeah, so it's automatically magnetic, so I snap it into like that. And if I plan on traveling, all I do is, just like that. That is how the Nintendo Switch 2.0 Killswitch case is supposed to go, guys. That's how it's supposed to go. Magnificent debranding. So, nice little minimalistic but protective case so that you can use on your adventures, whether you're traveling or going out of town or whatever the case may be. And me and my wife, we go on a lot of cruises and XYZ. So this is going to be dope for me actually going out of town and utilizing this. So we're going to have fun. I'm going to have fun with this thing. So yeah, the Nintendo Switch 2 is definitely a great device when it comes down to that portability. All right. So let's go ahead and close out this video so that we can go ahead and, get it popping, y'all. Get it popping. All right. All right. And I also got some customizable buttons and things that I did order from Amazon. So let's go ahead and check those out. Some buttons from Play Vital. I'm not weird. And also, I also got the 256 gig micro SD express card to expand my storage on the Nintendo Switch 2. So this would be very helpful whenever you decide that you need a solution to expandable memory. I am running very short on storage on my Nintendo Switch 2. So therefore, listen, man, right now, the price is right, you guys. It used to be 80 bucks. Go on Amazon. I'm not sponsored at all. It's 60 bucks. All right, go and grab this. All right, you're gonna need this. All right, so for our buttons, let's go ahead and customize our buttons here, the A, B, X, Y. And also you got your directional buttons here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and customize those as well. And then I also have some actual thumb grips that I actually like here. Of course, I'm not using the ones in the center, the flowers. I'm let wifey have that, and I'm gonna have the skull and a smiley face. So let's go ahead and attach these and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so that's the ending of the video for the Killswitch 2.0 unboxing for my Nintendo Switch 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. And please drop me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out the video. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. And y'all remember my motto, you can say what you want to say. And to my haters, do what you want to do. But that still ain't gonna change my point of view. This is Calico the True Reviews, and I'm out. Deuces.